Oh my god, look at your steak, it's huge.
Happy?
We are in Paris.
Good morning, world. This is Paris at 8:30 a.m. in the morning. Can't wait to go outside. It's a gloomy day though. Oh, that's that weird thing right there. It's that light. Ah, better. Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
We are in Paris.
Paris, Erica in Paris, baby.
Erica and Linda in Paris. You're a pro at this now because it's your third time.
This is my third time doing Paris. We're gonna hit up all the hot spots for Erica. We're doing the Louvre. We're going to Cafe Angelina.
To start the day.
To start the day.
And then because we need some sugar.
Yes.
And breakfast.
Yes.
And then some shopping.
Shopping.
Always good.
And then dinner.
And then dinner. It's going to be a very, very exciting day.
Yep.
And then tomorrow, well, tomorrow we'll tell you tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah. So we are out and we're going to show you our delicious hot chocolate because I've been dreaming of this. And a coffee. Chocolate, coffee, pastries.
Yep.
My
That's
gosh.
all Paris is about.
That's the dream. And mousse, I won't.
And mousse. Chocolate mousse.
Yeah. We're ready. Let's go.
See ya.
Hot chocolate time. Do you like your hot chocolate?
It's super delicious.
Yeah, I like it a lot. Delish. This is probably the most luxurious bathroom. Look how pretty. You have mirrors all over. So nice. Look at these sinks. Pretty. So cute. I love this so much.
Chic chic.
There's a theme going on.
It could be adorable.
Yeah, I love it. That's so pretty.
Should I get this Sophia?
Oh, cute.
I feel like the travel one. This is for 2 for 4. This is for 2 people. This is like, I'm gonna die. Oh, they gave us crackers. This giant bowl of...
And we're back. So you might be a little bit wobbly because I put you on 2 pillows and a box. Actually, I do need to move you soon because I want to show you what I got. We went shopping, and when I say shopping, we went bougie shopping. We got some things. Amazing, but we'll get to that. Basically, we just got back, and as you can tell from my face, it's been a long day. We left this morning, I think around 8:30, 9 a.m. and we just got back. It's 9 p.m. So we've been out the entire day. Amazing food. We went to this place called Le Petit Lutetia. No, it's French. I've never studied French in my life. I'm not good at French, so I'm sorry if I'm butchering the language. I'm really bad at French. But this place was amazing, so I am going to link it below. If you ever come to Paris, definitely go there. It's on the expensive side, but the best meal that we've had so far. Delicious. We started, like, this was a very foodie fun day. It was a food-filled, fun, rich French day. We started with Cafe Angelina, which was amazing. I needed to get that hot chocolate, and I did get it. And you know what? It was perfect. I loved it. I got also a really good coffee. They made a really nice coffee there. And I had a croissant. The croissant was so good. Like, amazingly good. So, French croissants, yes, they are a winner. And I need to get one tomorrow at another boulangerie. I'm not sure where we're gonna go, but we're gonna find a place around here because then we are going to Versailles, and that's gonna take a while to get to. So, are you getting sick? Like seasick or something? Because all I see is me moving around. So we're gonna go to Versailles, and that's gonna be another very full day. But we're gonna have an amazing time, and I can't wait to show you some more of France because it's my first time here and I'm so excited. You know what? It's met all the expectations and even more. Like, it's amazing. I'm definitely coming back. Oh, Niall, if you're watching, you can stop now because I did get a few Christmas gifts and I have some more to get tomorrow. But I got a few Christmas gifts and I got Niall's gift. I'm not gonna open it because it's very well presented. And I also got myself a gift. Basically, I was looking for an independent, unique kind of fragrance because I thought that would be really nice to get, especially here in Paris. There's also nice. And then I went into Jacques Fat. This is the name. It was amazing. Like, I am now full on ready to start a fragrance collection of independent, unique perfumeries because amazing. So I got 2 samples. These were 2 fragrances that I tested and I loved the smell. But then there was one that was even better. So I did get it for myself. When I say this is amazing, it smells amazing. You need to believe me because, like, look how beautifully packaged it is as well. Gorgeous. This one that I got is the jasmine fragrance. It can't put it into words. It's my new favorite smell. It's amazing. But I'm gonna leave it all wrapped up until we get back to Dublin. Yeah, the airport in Dublin. Well, when we get back home, basically, in Ireland. This is what I got now. So I got, it looks very big. It's because it's 4 smaller bottles of 4 men fragrances and they all smelled so good, so I couldn't really choose one. So this was the other option that she had. 4 different fragrances all put into one box. So I got this and they all smell so amazing. So yeah, a great gift, great gift. So if you ever want to get something, try that. And then I went really crazy and got something amazing that I'm going to open right now. because I need to. This is the star of the show. Like, I don't even want to open it because it looks so
Just like
bougie.
glue it back on.
Yeah, pretty much. I'll try and do it very delicately. Oh yeah, I can do that. This is for tiramisu.
She need a boozy brush for a boozy baby.
Oh, look at that. I think I did it for her, but also for me. It's like the best thing ever. Oh my god. Look at that. Perfection. It's a brush. It's a kitty brush. And it has tiramisu's name engraved on it. Can you see that? Oh my god, this is the most exciting thing ever. Look at that.
That's so cute.
Can't wait to see Niall's face seeing this. So funny. Well, tiramisu and Niall are done for Christmas. I'm so excited with this. So excited. Too excited. What else did I get? Oh, I got some Sephora bits. I needed a blush, so I got Rare Beauty. Rare Beauty, I think it's Worth. Yes. In the shade Worth. And just a brow pencil. Also Rare Beauty. Yeah. Very pretty. In the shade Warm Brown. And I like how thin it is. That is all I have, which is a lot, but still, that's all I have. And oh my gosh, I love this brush so much. So now, time for a shower and get into bed and wake up tomorrow and do it all over again. That mousse, delicious. It was just a lot. It's very rich, but delicious. Okay, I shall see you tomorrow morning. Good night. Good morning, everybody. There's this gorgeous light out because it's just, the sun is just rising, but it doesn't transfer on camera. It's like purplish. So pretty. Anyways, the city is alive. Good morning, everybody. We're here, both of us. Linda is directing us towards Le Marais because we're gonna go to a bakery and get breakfast, and then we're gonna go on our and then we're gonna go either back to the hotel and finish eating, or to the train station and go to Versailles. Oh no, it's drizzling. That's the theme of this trip: rain, the color green, and number 3. These are the things that and then this morning my alarm went off at 6 a.m. which wasn't supposed to happen, but it was set on everyday alarm and gave us a scare. And now Linda keeps singing the song. Yeah, because my song is a bit of a scary song. It wakes you up. Meanwhile, your alarm went off and we didn't even hear it. Yeah. Anyways, I'll show you what we get when we get it. Got a cappuccino, and then viennois, chocolat, au chocolat, and yeah. Yesterday was much better. Not great. Don't like my coffee. I need Starbucks. I need Starbucks now. I'm gonna try the viennois. There's a lot going on in this video. That's really good. It's like brioche. right on top of me. It's like a brioche with chocolate chips. Now we are gonna try the pain au chocolat. Yeah, baby. That's really good.
Pain au chocolat is amazing.
You like that one too, right?
Okay.
That's really good. Back in the room, and it's been a long day. We just came back from Montmartre. Okay, so I got a few souvenirs. Look how cute this one is. 2 magnets. One is Paris, and then I got a cute notepad, 2 adorable cups. This one has the pain au chocolat on it, and I'm thinking I'll give it to my sister. This one is a croissant, and I'm gonna keep it. And then I got some bougie macarons from Pierre Hermé. Look at that box. Gorgeous box. And some macarons inside. Look how pretty. I got one. I think the flavor of one was like celery. Did I tell you that?
Celery?
Yeah, celery and rose. Something like that. Very interesting. It was the grapefruit and celery. How fun is that one? We're getting ready for dinner, and then we'll see you again. Good evening. We just got back from our dinner, and it was freaking amazing. This one was called Robert et Louise, and it was amazing. Like, the dinner was probably the best one that we had during this whole trip, and it was simple but delicious. So yes, I do recommend you come to this place, and also to Le Petit Lutetia, but that one too was really good. This one was just number 1 on my list, I think, and also the price was good, the food was great, it was just amazing. And one thing that I wanted to do during this whole trip was buy a baguette, and we went to the supermarket and we got a baguette, so we're gonna have it with some butter just to end our Paris trip in the best way possible, right?
Right.
We. So felt very French walking in the street with this, although it was raining, so I was kind of scared that it would get soggy. Very excited. Now we're just gonna pack, and then we're on our way out tomorrow morning. We have to actually get up at 4:45 a.m. We're getting on a train, a bus, and then the plane, and then a bus again, and then the car. Nice. So see you tomorrow.